Chevy Colorado. I'll show you guys how to change the oil on a 2016 Chevy Colorado with a 4-cylinder. I like to pull the dipstick a little bit, open the oil cap, that way the oil will drain faster. You get a funnel, whatever you like. I have these adapters made by, I think you can get this on Amazon by Lyle. And get your adapter. Comes with all the different cups here. Alright. Now, something I always do, or what your shop should be doing whenever you get an oil change, check your ball joints, check your tie rods. Sometimes you gotta put a jack under them to really feel them. Check your brakes. Their brakes are obviously very rusty. Car's been sitting a while. Brake pads are getting pretty low on the front. Got all that rust on there. Same concepts apply, you're just on the ground, use a shorter oil drain. So, oil filter's right there. Drain plug's over here. Get your socket. This one's a 14, I don't know if that's, I don't think that's the right size for a GM vehicle. That seems wrong. I think this is an aftermarket drain plug. But once you get your drain plug out, make sure you throw it on the floor so you get dirt all over it. Oh boy. This here is what you don't want to see. If your engine oil looks like black tar, like that, that is not a good sign. Oh yeah. That engine oil looks like metallic paint. That is not a good sign. So that's what you don't want to see when you're changing your oil. If your oil looks like that, then there's going to be something wrong with your engine in your near future. So, change your oil every 5,000 miles. I don't care what oil you run, 5,000 miles. Now, if you're running conventional, do 3. If it's synthetic, run at 5. I don't care if it's a diesel. I don't care who tells you. Change at 5,000 miles. The manufacturers don't know what they're talking about. All they're trying to do is lower the maintenance cost on their vehicle so they can advertise a lower number. Change your oil at 5,000 miles. If you're not a mechanic, you don't do this for a living, or you haven't done this before, grab a torque wrench. I'll give you the torque specification. Engine oil drain plug torque is 18 foot-pounds. Engine oil is 5 quarts of 520 or 020. I would run your 520 in the summer and your 020 in the winter, if that was me. 10 Newton meters. There we go. So, old filter off. Let it drain. New filter on. Yeah, you're right. I don't wipe that off because the oil that's on there helps keep the O-ring from tearing. All right, keep your dipstick up. That'll keep your engine oil from backing up into your funnel. I like to do this. Start it up. All right. Okay. Might have to give it a second to drain down. All right, we're a little low. This is why you should always check it. All right, now we're full. Okay, now go inside. So, what I always do, 115,306. So 120,306. Go on Amazon, get yourself some oil change stickers. All right, another thing I do that's different is I put the date the vehicle was serviced, not when it is due. That way, you know, if you don't drive very often, within a year, you should change the oil again. And you know when it was serviced last. So then, that clear, there we go. Then use the thumb wheel to go through, here we go, menu, remaining oil life. So then, press and hold set clear, thumb wheel up, hit yes, 100%. And that is how you change the oil reminder on a 2016 Chevy Colorado. There we go. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the channel so I can get more content out there. Thank you and have a good day.